አላውቅም። አንድ ሰው አለ። አብይ አህመድ ፈዲላ መስገው Prime Minister of Ethiopia, let's go. Stop dividing Oromo. Stop dividing Oromo. Abiy Ahmed must go. Abiy Ahmed. Abiy Ahmed. Abiy Ahmed. Abiy Ahmed. We're dictator. You are dictator. Oromo. Oromo. Oromo.
We are not Ethiopian. We are not. We are not. We are not.
Ethiopia. Yes. We are Oromo. 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 Abiy must go. Abiy must go. Abiy must go. Abiy Ahmed must go. Prime Minister of Ethiopia, Abiy Ahmed must go. Prime Minister of Ethiopia, responsible for killing innocent Oromo. Prime Minister of Ethiopia, Abiy Ahmed must go. Abiy Ahmed must go. Justice. Justice. Now. 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 No peace in Oromia.
No peace in Oromia.
No peace in Oromia.
No justice for Oromia.
No justice in Oromia. No peace in Ethiopia. No justice in Oromia. No peace in Ethiopia. No justice in Oromia. Down, down, Abiy Ahmed. Down, down, Abiy Ahmed. Down, down, Abiy Ahmed. Free Jawar Mohammed. Free Jawar Mohammed. Free Jawar Mohammed. Free Bekkele Garba. Free Bekkele Garba. Free Hamza Borana. Free Hamza Borana. Prime Minister of Ethiopia must go. Prime Minister of Ethiopia, Abiy Ahmed must go. Prime Minister of Ethiopia, Abiy Ahmed must go. Let them freedom. Now. 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 Free Oromia. Free Oromia. We are free. Free Oromia. Free Oromia. Abiy Ahmed must go. Abiy Ahmed must go. Abiy Ahmed. Abiy Ahmed. Jirra. 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 Abiy Ahmed must go. Prime Minister of Ethiopia, Abiy Ahmed must go. Prime Minister of Ethiopia, this is a killing Oromo people. Prime Minister of Ethiopia, Abiy Ahmed, stop killing Oromo people. Finish karakut.
Share go. Finish.